One man's food, not another poison. Oh. But after rain must come sunshine. The night before comes daybreak. Nothing is worth dying for after all. So no matter how we be, just grab one bottle and find your feet. Every day na struggle, every day na hustle, every day we try to survive. So life could be, but we keep living. Yeah, every day. It no get way easy at all. Everybody get their own property. One man's food, not another poison. Oh. But after rain must come sunshine. The night before comes daybreak. Nothing is worth dying for after all. Every day na hustle, every day we try to survive. And so life could be, but we keep living. We are every day.
I wake these children up to come and clean this place. And you people came back here and lie down to sleep. Eh? So, stand up. Ilu. Come on, stand up. Am I not talking to someone? Stand up from there.
Why are you disturbing us now?
What?
I'm not saying to disturb us.
Eh?
Yes.
Are they disturbed now? Hey, children like you are supposed to be cleaning the house. Just do the house chores, then look for something to eat. Eh? But you came here still sleeping. Is it because your school is on holidays? Which I don't even believe. Eh? Eh? Come on, stand up from there, sir. Iluchi, I'm talking to you. Oh, yeah. Inside.
Oh.
Inside. Ah. Hey. How long will we finish? So what should we do? Cleaning the house.
Pushing and surviving.
Eh?
Oh yeah, where would they go? What make you they look me like that? Anything happen?
No, nothing. I was just imagining. What if armed robber come to your workplace? How will you be able to defend yourself and your employer?
Eventually. You know, see governor to come to my place. You know, see president to come to my workplace. You know, see better person. I'm robber. Anyway, now on a small thing. No worry, by the time robber come, you will know say your mama na tiger.
You mean tigress?
Some say grace. We grace is like they inside. Eh? What it make me be security? Big security like this. You see, if I'm robber steal me, they'll give me the money. We say they don't go up for that place. I be no. You see, I can tell you. This your tigress, it no work. You understand? Tiger na tiger.
No. Tiger is for the male. Why tiger is for the female?
Eventually. I'm in the work now. I don't say you go to school now. You don't gonna correct me. Oh yes. If you correct me next time, you correct adult. Eh? If you correct me next time, I will slap you. Shall we say tigress?
Sorry, you.
Your mama.
No be you.
Eh? Hey! I don't born. You see this one? I born. My womb. I womb and where? Don't see anybody imagine I'm robber.
Don't get where it is at all. Everybody got their own property. One man's food, not another poison. Oh. But after rain must come sunshine. The nightfall comes daybreak. Nothing is worth dying for after all. So no matter how we be, just grab one bottle and find your feet. Ooh. Every day na struggle, every day na hustle, every day we try to survive, and so life could be, but we keep living.
Mommy, I'm tired. Since you don't have car to carry me to my school, carry my bag for me now.
Eh? Hey, I mean not the smoke. Oh. How? Where you see your kind of highness? So the way I did like this now when I hustle day and night to take you bright future, I have to carry bag for you. Eh?
Mommy, can you not be romantic? Carry my bag for me now.
Make I dey romantic. If I dey find romance, I know where I go. I go stay am free of charge. You understand? If I still dey find romance, e dey Bible, I go read am.
Mommy, you're funny.
Where we dey go? I dey do everything so that you go fit dey okay.
Mommy, I'm tired.
You don't tire? Nah. Me when they work the morning call. Maybe we dey go abeg.
You no get where it easy at all. Everybody get their own for body. One man's food, another poison. Oh. But after rain must come sunshine. The nightfall comes daybreak. Nothing is worth dying for after all. So no matter how we be, just grab one bottle and find your feet. Ooh. Every day na struggle, every day na hustle, every day we try to survive, and so life will be, but we keep living. We are everyday people.
What is the meaning of this? Why are they eating my food? If I beat them now, they'll say I'm molesting my younger ones.
Come sunshine, the nightfall comes daybreak. Nothing is worth dying for after all. So no matter how we be, just grab one bottle and find your feet. Ooh. Every day na struggle, every day na hustle, every day we try to survive, and so life will be, but we keep living.
Shine your eye, yo. You hear? Shine your eye. Don't let any man touch you anyhow. This I tell you so you dey hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't let any man touch you, come near you, they play rough play.
Yes,
You hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Even if say any man won't touch you or mistakenly touch you, tear and slap. Tear and waiting.
Slap.
Tear and waiting.
Slap.
I trust you.
Okay.
Okay, now bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Stay well. Learn well. Oh. Hey.
On the ground, I'll fall inside. I'll take this.
No chopper. No chopper!
End up with Iluchi and Sobechi. As small as they are, they have the mind to play such expensive prank on me. How? Maybe they are not seeing me as their elder sister. After all, not be the same mama bonus. No blame them.
One man's food, not another poison. But after rain must come sunshine. The night for comes daybreak. Nothing is what I know.
Mom, hurry up, please.
I'm coming.
Mom, that's what you said a long time ago.
Please, just this last one. Give me a second, honey.
Okay, Mom.
Every day I struggle, every day I hustle, every day we try to survive. So life can be, but we keep living. We are everyday people, so much challenges and ups and downs. So we be. Survive, ain't no easy at all. But no matter how we dare to buy someone to be the choice, we keep living to survive. Won't stop existing. Ain't no easy, ain't no easy at all. We keep living, pushing and surviving.
They come, wait. Sit down. Good morning.
Where are you worried for you? What do you mean worry for you yourself? The first you're here, or you're here they get loophole. Eh? Okay, you just the wake.
And now they wake up.
You be serious bad employee eventually. And mother goes to sack you. Eventually. Okay, you not get it.
Yourself, you be witch. Big witch. So they can't pray away, they pray for better person like me this early morning. Make madam sack me. Eh?
When I want to pray before? In the afternoon.
Make I warn you. My name be Achiever. And I am an achiever.
So what you never achieve that for this life where you come? Tell me now.
I don't get your time. They just the break now, still early morning. I don't get your time.
Okay, Eventually, I don't think we. I know they understand. That's why get the children for the different mothers. You know this is an achiever now. Achiever pass like that. See this one. They born. Bonner boy. You achieve, my dear. Now you now. Why don't because you see what achieve another one.
You no get where it easy at all. Everybody got their own for body. One man's food, not another poison. But after it must come sunshine. The night for comes the break. Nothing is worth dying for after all. So no matter how we be.
Okay, baby, here we are.
Oh, thank you, Mom. I'll see you later.
Alright, I'll go to the warehouse and run some errands before picking you up later, right?
Okay. But remember to buy me something.
I'll always do that.
Bye, Mom.
Every day we try to survive, and so life can be. But we keep living. We are everyday people. So much challenges and ups and downs. So we be.
Sit down.
Wait.
I'm leaving. Here's the book. Some people will come and collect some goods. So don't forget.
I better let me hear what. You know book reach me. This will be Olodo like you. I know calculation
You
well.
too like trouble. See you later, Jare.
If you like, go pursue waste. Cause if they go now waste you go follow. Waste man. Not only waste. Sabi.
Try to survive.
So tell the way they like waste. So they like you. Follow them together. Waste man.
But no matter how we dare to buy someone to be the choice, we keep living to survive. Won't stop existing. It no easy at all. We keep living, pushing and surviving.
Dog you.
Banana, we just chop breakfast.
Ghana food. I fẹ́ food and draw soup na be food.
But we no get that one, so wetin we go do?
Papa dey come.
Not yet, oh. Abeg, make he come, sef, make we chop food.
It no get where it easy at all. Everybody got their own for body. One man's food, not another poison.
Oh my god.
But after it must
knew I
come
forgot something.
sunshine. The night for comes the break. Nothing is worth dying for after all. So no matter how we be, just grab one.
I'll be coming a little bit late. Is that okay?
Madam, I know they work today. I have finished my own shift.
Oh my. Alright, I'll call Tina then.
Mama, maybe I might have resumed before you come.
Oh, that's fine. Because the delivery guys are coming in this afternoon.
Okay, that means I will try and come on time.
Everyday people,
You're welcome, ma.
Challenges and ups and downs. So it be. It no easy. It no go easy at all. But we keep
This is not funny now.
What is not funny? Huh? What is not funny? But your siblings, they are something else. But come to think of it, why will you prepare breakfast in the morning without giving them?
Why will I feed them in the morning? Or why will I prepare? Must I prepare breakfast for them? By the way, not me born them.
You know those kids are young. You have to provide for them. They are still young. Abba!
You will not understand. You will not.
keep living to survive. Won't stop existing. It no easy. It no easy at all. We keep living, pushing and surviving.
So, who can tell me what parasomnia is all about? Okay.
It is a sleep disorder that involves unusual and undesirable physical events.
Good. Okay.
Or it is an experience that disrupts the sleep.
Very good.
Okay, ma'am. If that is all about parasomnia, what about insomnia?
Good question. Does anyone know? Insomnia. Come on, make an attempt. Okay. Very well then. That's your assignment. 300 words on what you think insomnia is all about. Cure, if there is any. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma, can you give us a hint?
Find out. What's my small assignment?
Sobechi!
Welcome, Papa.
Thank you. Go inside and get me some water to drink.
Did you buy food?
Are you alright? Will you get inside and get me some water? Or some did you buy food?
No vex, no vex.
Papa, welcome.
What are you looking around for?
Food now.
Food. That's the only thing you know how to do. Food, and nothing else.
If not food, waiting again.
You get smartness and intelligence.
Papa, I'm smart.
For where? Now like this, they is smart. Yeah? You smart as you do like this.
Sorry, Papa.
Really?
So, Papa, what we go do now? We hungry.
Chief something?
I will beat this man one day.
Zoe.
Don't ever touch me.
What's wrong? Do you have a fight with her?
No, did she just push me?
Wait. It's alright. Don't fight her. Rather report her or avoid her. That's all.
are ready to comb our hair.
That's the only thing you children knows how to do. Play and play and play. When you get exhausted, you will start asking me for food. While your mates are out there hustling, selling pure water, selling kuli, selling so many things, even bread and coke, to assist their parents. You're here playing. Keep playing. Keep on playing.
Every day we try to survive, and so life can be.
Are you sure he's our father?
But we keep
This have you born me. I just thought I just had to born. I'm
every day people.
Right.
So much challenges and ups and
My
downs.
grandmother has a big skirt.
So
She doesn't know what she can do. You know because she can't. No.
but we keep pushing. It's not easy. It's not easy at all, but we keep pushing. Oh, we keep fighting.
Madam, abeg,
Every day na
wetin you get?
struggle, every day na hustle, every day we try to survive.
Everything dey.
No
Abeg, give me rice and beans with better pomo.
no matter
Abeg,
how we
hurry up.
day, to buy
Boss,
someone
hold on.
no be the joy. We keep living to survive. Stop existing. It no easy.
Hey.
It no easy at
Yeah, put am well, oh, put am well, oh.
Keep living, pushing and surviving.
Na rice and beans. Make you put am well, I dey like food, oh.
Hello, no dey come me, I dey eat. I tell you I dey come.
Nobody go fit tell me. Nobody. All the time. Una go dey worry me. Don't leave me get children.
Oga Chief, this one wey dey vex like this, wetin happen?
No be this my children. All the time I go cook food finish. They go chop their own. Still wan chop my own. Wetin be that one? Eh? As if say person wey born children no dey chop.
But I bin don tell you now. Shebi I tell you make you carry those children go give their mama, make you see front. I bin wan die before your time.
E be like say na wetin I go do o. Sense dey for wetin you just talk. Carry them go give their mama so that I go get space. My food go dey now dey do me. Na wetin I go do. Thank you, eh? Thanks for the advice. Thank you.
Wait, go down. Hey. Now you?
Na me now.
I see the rock call. I said, okay. Hey. See the way I just Just they run, they come. They say that kind complete human being, they knock. Eh?
I have before.
And by the way, so when you quick come work today, what's happen? Okay, your children, they disturb you, I think.
How you take no?
Prophetessness, eventually.
Those children, they worry me. I don't tire.
Oh yes.
I don't tire for their wahala.
You know why you're tired? Now 3 different spirits did that body. Christmas go born one, people born one. Like this now, you want another one, Abi? You know born again? Eh?
I no get your time, I beg. I no get your time.
You don't go get time.
Make her go inside, go change.
You don't need new one. New waste.
It no get where you
Waste
easy
man.
at all.
You are finished.
Everybody get their
Eventually.
own property.
When God said go yesterday, what I multiply, are you there?
Another poison, oh.
Born again in Christ, no. Say born again a woman.
But after a month.
Hurry. You want to go?
Yes, I have to go.
You know, our night shift start next tomorrow. So see you then.
Okay, that's true. Don't worry now, you can go now. I'll wait for Chichi to come, okay, to take over from me. Okay?
Okay,
Take
no
care of
problem.
yourself, okay?
Thank you.
Take it easy on yourself. Oh.
We are everyday people. So much challenges and ups and downs. Oh, not so easy. It no easy. It no go easy at all. But we keep pushing.
It's gonna keep you now.
You don't forget as my madam children they do. I got to make them sleep well. Far come.
So fun how they be. Oh.
We got to do everything sharp. Nah.
Good day, ma.
Good day, Achieva. How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
Okay. Please bring out those things from the car and check the stock, all right?
Okay.
And make sure it's accurate.
Okay, ma.
Yes, Angel. Zoe was really rude to one guy in our school today.
Really? And why?
I do not know. But I think I should confront her about it.
Confront her. Confrontation seems like you want to fight with her. I think you should observe her quietly to know what is wrong with her. That's a better way.
Okay, Mom.
That's my girl.
I'm going to watch this.
I just want to eat this food and go and sleep.
What came over me? He deserves it. He should not try and come and inch near me next time.
Try to survive. Ain't no easy at all. But no matter how we dare to buy someone to be the choice, we keep living to survive. Won't stop existing. Ain't no easy. Ain't no easy at all. We keep living, pushing and surviving.
Who could that be by this time of the night? That's serious.
I'm coming, take it easy.
What do you think about this time of the night? You seem to be angry.
It no get way easy at all. Everybody got their own for body. One man's food, not another poison. But after it must come sunshine. The night comes daybreak. Nothing is worth dying for after all. So no matter how we be, just grab one bottle and find.
Babe, what's the problem? You seem to be very angry. And I wasn't expecting you by this time of the night. You should have called Jeff or something. I mean, you have his number.
I should call Jeff? Lisa, I should call Jeff? Listen to me. I promise you, one day I'm gonna catch you red-handed. And if that happens, I will call it off completely. I promise you that. Cross my heart. Rubbish.
It no get way easy at all. Everybody get their own for body. One man's food, not another poison. Oh. But after rain must come sunshine. The nightfall comes daybreak. Nothing is worth dying for after all. So no matter how we be, just grab one bottle and find.
Yeah. They like all for that. They do book. What happened?
True, I do hungry.
I bet me I won't go outside and go find food chop. Said they said they're hungry. You don't follow me?
Of course I go follow you now. Come make we go.
Hey, calm down. Wait. If I go front, you follow me. No pass me. Wait till I come. Now go front. Wait.
Good morning, Auntie Anna, do you know who was knocking last night?
I really can't say. I did not hear anything. I guess I was fast asleep.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Nothing is worth dying for after all. So no matter how we be, just grab one.
Where you go, Chef?
You dey come from work now?
And where are you going to?
I'm going to drop off my daughter in school.
Whatever. Anyway, do not go with the car.
Hans, what's the problem? I bought you a car already. Why are you dragging mine with me?
Are you mad? Are you stupid? Are you crazy? No, answer me. Are you going nuts? Lisa, if your ma born you well, disobey me this morning. Just touch that car key. Idiot.
It no easy, it no go easy at all, but we keep pushing. It no easy, it no easy at all, but we keep pushing. Oh, we keep fighting. Every day in a struggle. Every day I hustle, every day we try to survive. It no easy at all. But no matter how we day, to buy someone no be the choice. We keep living to survive. Stop.
Let's go. The taxi guy is here.
Taxi? Mm-hmm. Why? What happened to your car?
Nothing. Let's just use a taxi today, please.
Why, Mom?
I think in your own interests, you should listen to your mom.
Now I see the reason.
Hold on. Hold on, Sean. Hold on! Can you just hold on? Sean!
Now wow. Now better juju this guy use for my madam. Hi! See this small you. This guy don't go spiritual on top my madam head. Eh? See this powerful woman. See car, see money when she get. They follow this small boy, they run things. See now. Eh? Come what this guy they do now. See the pick it down wrong, go school now. Eh? Now wow. Matter tire me.
Why are you tormenting me? Is it a crime to love you? Is it?
Lisa, you're just a raging mad dog.
You're crazy! You're crazy! I dare you!
What is it now?
What happened to you? Wait. What's wrong with you now?
Madam, where you there now?
I'm coming.
Yes, let him drink.
Lots of it is easy. Are you okay? Yeah, I think you're okay. Feel like say we carry am go hospital.
No. My sister is a doctor. Let me call her.
Call her. Sorry. Well, relax your body. You'll be fine.
What's wrong?
Mom's lover is around, and I know they will fight today.
Sorry. I wish I can do anything to help you. It's fine. So, what was the saga between you and Philip yesterday?
Look, we should stay away from men. Their handshake will turn into something else. Their smiles and compliments are not for free. Get it into your skull. We need to stay on guard. We should not allow any of them to touch us knowingly or unknowingly. Do you hear me?
Yes, ma.
One man's food, another poison.
Sister, come with ambulance to that restaurant before the church.
Ambulance? What is it?
Ilu is dying.
Okay, I'm coming.
Hurry now.
No problem.
Are you alright?
Yes, I have an emergency. I'm coming.
Every day I struggle, every day I hustle, every day we try to survive. And so life
Jeff.
But we keep living. We are everyday people. So much challenges and ups and downs. So we be. It no easy, it no go easy at all. But we keep pushing. It no easy at all. But we keep pushing. Oh, we keep fighting. Every day I struggle, every day I hustle, every day we try to survive. It no easy at all. But no matter how we dare to buy someone to be the choice, we keep living to survive. Won't stop existing. It no easy.
Wow. Why this guy just talk to me anyhow? Sakpa, nice one. If not, why for day now? That guy no worry. I will catch him. When I go hold him, man. When I go hold him.
What of your sister? She have not come.
Sister.
Oh, thank God.
Sister.
She's there. What happened to you?
I think there was poison in the food.
Jesus! Poison? No! Okay, where's the owner of the restaurant? I'm the owner.
Oh, you are the one?
Yes.
Position where?
Why are you taking me pictures now?
For evidence. In case you run away.
Yes.
I'm taking it to the police. Come, let's give her money. Give her money for some drugs.
Okay.
Give her money. Hurry.
Easy at all. Everybody get their own for body. One man's food, another poison. But after
eventually,
sunshine,
they're not possible to
comes the break. Nothing.
You're outside. People get mad, they're outside. Eventually.
So no matter how
See, here where you can't stay so. My hand no deal, can't they go? See your uniform, you no change. Man, I no go like her, my hand no deal. My hand no deal.
When I go house now, the first papa will call my children go tell me, say, I am hungry. They go just they disturb me, say, Papa, I'm hungry. They don't go even ask how I dey, how they walk, they go. Papa, you carry money, come back. No be waiting, they go. they go ask. The only thing wey they want na food. See, ma, I tell you why. You see, for this life, anything wey go make you happy, wey go make you get rest of mind, just the do am.
Yeah.
Just the do am.
Yeah. Eventually. I feel your pain, bro. But you say that this person do make you do am well. How you do so now? Let me be achiever. You do am well. You go see do more. You now football team right away from. But don't worry, come back. Yeah.
So for the problem, why still dey inside? You still dey insult me, join. You still dey insult me, join.
Oh yes.
He good like that.
Eventually. Why you leave the first woman? Leave the second woman. Leave the third woman. Why? Eh? Woman now.
Make I rest now. Allow my brain make it rest. My brain rest for once.
Your brain no go rest until when here rest. Before here go rest. Because here they control here. You understand? Here they tell here move. They get fine. One fine girl dey outside. Eventually.
You dey grace? Or they talk the one while they say one fine girl dey grace?
Pick the call. No. Hello, Ma. It's Zoe.
Oh, Zoe, how are you?
I'm fine, Ma. Sean is busy at the moment.
Okay, please can you tell Sean to call me or pick my call instead?
Okay, Ma. Goodbye. Is it because I'm not rich? Or is it because your mother is taking care of my education? So you feel like you can't tell me things anymore?
But no matter how
Zoe.
Zoe! Someone to be the choice. We keep living to survive. One stop existing. It's not easy. It's not easy. We keep living.
What did he have you?
Pushing and surviving.
Sorry.
Don't you ever touch me, you foolish man. Rapist.
Did you slap me?
Yes, and don't touch me next time. Zoe. Zoe. Why did he touch you? Ask him, fool. Calm down. Please be calm, Zoe. He's a cheater. Tell him not to touch me next time.
Do you see what just happened?
Yes, I did.
How could Zoe slap a tissue?
I don't know, but I think there's something fishy.
Anyways, whatever it is, we'll soon find out. Let's go to the class.
Zoe just slapped a teacher.
A teacher?
Yes.
Which of the teacher?
Mr. Frank.
Mr. Frank.
Yes.
So what have you done to her that made her slap you?
I don't know.
It's like something is wrong somewhere.
Whatever it is, we'll find out.
Definitely, we must surely find out.
Let's go.
Sobe and Iluchi. Sobe, this is it. You have to go back there, bring more money and more food. And for you, Iluchi, as far as this business is concerned, you are still sick and dying.
That's my business, no water. But that's okay. Gotta go.
no get where it easy at all.
Behave.
Everybody got their own for body. One man's food, another poison. But after rain must come sunshine. The night before comes daybreak. Nothing is what dying for after all. So no matter how we be, just grab one bottle and find your feet. Ooh. Every day na struggle, every day na hustle, every day we try to survive. So life could be, but we keep living.
What is the matter? Don't tell me that he's dead, though.
No. But they said he might die. And he needs a lot of food. So much. And the doctor is already asking for money.
But your sister is a doctor.
Yes, but the hospital is not her own now.
Okay, wait for me, I'm coming.
Come by this kind of time. Hello? Hello? Eh?
What happened?
Hey! I said, what gonna happen now? Eventually. They say my pikin slap teacher.
Hey. Zoe, when do they find trouble?
You don't tire you.
Gentle pikin, when do they make trouble?
I beg.
I beg, take am easy.
My brother. Make I go attend to her.
Just take am easy. At least this food now I go finish am.
So now, what I tell you now no concern you. Now food they worry you. You go die inside this food.
And now you go die inside.
I don't get your time.
I beg, carry your own cross. I get my own wahala. Take am easy. No use your weight, keep person.
It no get where it easy at all. Everybody got their own for body. One man's food, another.
There's a lot of meat inside this soup, inside this food. This one will be enough for him. I will personally bring more for him tomorrow.
Okay. What about the money?
Take. Give me your sister number.
Oh, okay.
Is this her number? Alright, I'll talk to her on phone.
Okay.
Hey! Which kind of problem be this? You want to get in it all to people?
Everyday people, so much challenges and ups and downs. So it be. It no easy, it no go easy at all, but we keep pushing. It no easy at all, but we keep pushing. Oh, we keep fighting. Every day na struggle, every day na hustle, every day we try to survive. It no easy at all. But no matter how we dare to buy someone no be the choice. We keep living to survive.
I know you're mad at me, but can you just stop, please?
It no easy at all. We keep living, pushing and surviving.
I know she's taking what happened in the morning to heart. I know that really hurts her. I'll go check on her.
Jeff!
Madam.
Please help me with the gate.
Okay, ma'am. So this woman just use leg wakana. Eh? Person get car, you know, for use her. Call one useless boy. Eh? Ah, Madam Mumu, because of love. Anyway, Sha, I should get leg to wakana.
Zoe, what's happened? Who beat you?
Ma, nobody beats her.
Nobody beats you? Why you they cry? Okay, where the teacher?
Ma is inside.
What's it make you slap teacher?
He touched me.
Eh? He touched you? Teacher touched you? Where are they?
Mama is inside the class.
When they go to class? You see today's school. All of us go learn together.
It no get where it easy at all. Everybody get their own for body. One man's food, not another poison. Oh. But after rain must come sunshine. The nightfall comes daybreak.
This woman go suffer for our hand. Now office be this.
Just grab one bottle and find your feet. Ooh. Every day na struggle, every day na hustle, every day we try to survive, and so life will be. But we keep living. We are everyday people. So much challenges and ups and downs. Oh, and so it be. It no easy, it no go easy at all. But we keep pushing. It no easy, it no easy at all.
Last week we talked about adjective, and today we're going to be dealing with adjectival phrase. What did I say?
Adjectival phrase.
Adjectival phrase. What did I say?
Adjectival phrase.
And before we go into the details of this, I want any one of you to tell me what adjective means. What is the meaning of adjective? Nobody? Okay.
Adjective is a word that modifies a noun or a noun phrase.
Okay, you should try. A round of applause for her. Clap for her. Anybody want to try again? Okay.
Adjective is a word that generally modifies a noun or a noun phrase.
A round of applause for her. Anybody want to try again? Okay, you.
It's a word that generally modifies a noun or a noun phrase.
A round of applause for her. This gives me the confidence that every one of you are learning very well. So today, like I said, we are going to deal with adjectival phrase. So can any one of you give me the idea of what?
My mom wants to see you.
Your mother wants to see you?
Yeah.
For what?
She's downstairs.
Go back to your seat and face your study.
My mom wants to see you.
Okay, let's go. I'll be right back.
It no get where you easy at all. Everybody got their own for body. One man's food, not another poison. But after it must come sunshine. The night for comes the break. Nothing is worth dying for after all. So no matter how we be, just grab one bottle and find your feet.
Nice one, Alpha.
Every day I struggle, every day I hustle, every day we try to survive. And so life can be, but we keep living.
I think you don't touch me. I don't think. Why you gonna touch her? 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 Eh? Why you touch her? Why you touch her? You touch her. You just.
Now, wow. Why would Zoe's mom come to the school and fight the teacher?
Zoe's character is an insolence of the highest order.
Hello, girls. This is not our cause to discuss. I mean, whatever happened, Zoe's mom should have gone to the school authority to report.
Well, I think Zoe will get expelled.
You think so? Easy at all.
Wait.
But no matter how we dare to buy someone, no be the choice. We keep living to survive. Won't stop existing. It no easy at all. We keep living, pushing and surviving.
She's not here. Jeff, did you see Madam?
Madam, Madam don't usually come out house now.
Waiting happened to Akana.
Maybe our so-called Oga, Hans. Just get mine, carry Madam car come out.
Hey, now wow.
That guy they try me. See, when he cup go full like this, when I hold on like this, when I go beat and finish, nobody go feel me for this compound. I just talk my own now.
I beg you, mind your business.
Which business I won't mind? Now my madam be this. Why that small boy go they come the I know they can't judgment don't use for my madam now. Say my madam just follow like mumu.
Oga.
Also they do something.
Jeff, leave matter for Matthias.
I beg you, I need to mind any business. Why that guy go to do like that, Sef? Now my business be this. I'm the security. I have to secure my madam. But that guy taking time for this compound. Cause my blood is hot as they see me so.
Yeah, don't talk my.
Why that guy go to do like that? When he come back, I go talk to her. I will give her a word. Sure? She can't take me down one. Car when no be own, they carry they form big man. I say they do. You can't carry all these small girls when they rude. Go come out, come meet me.
Tina, please calm down. I know how you feel. It was just a simple touch. And I'm sure he does not mean anything over it.
But why? What's he gonna make her touch my pikin? Why you go touch my pikin? Touch you the get simple one, madam. If I carry boy use and do that example, must he come my pikin?
Okay, I know.
Like this kind of thing.
But I'm sure he meant no harm.
See, madam, like this now, he meant harm well. he meant the harm. I don't like this kind of thing. Make man no touch him. Make any man no touch him. Make any man even near him. Sorry.
It's okay. All right. I know how you feel. Even though I'm not in your shoes, but I know how you feel. Just calm down. I beg. Calm down.
No wahala. You see now, now this same simple touch they touch me. I burn am. I get belle because of simple touch. Touch no they get man touch no they get simple one.
It's okay. Calm down, all right? Just calm down. I know I'm not in your shoes, but I know how you feel.
Sorry, man. No wahala. I don't hear.
It's okay. Let's go.
Oh yeah.
One man's food, not another poison.
Hey, give us food. I will give us one. Now you walk out.
Hey.
Look, collect them.
Wait now.
Sister, give us now.
See this rattle. Wait. Go to work.
Now we do the whole work.
Now
we supposed to get extra.
Let me do. Wait. Okay.
No, okay.
Okay. Now wait.
Find your feet. Every day I struggle, every day I hustle, every day we try to survive. And so life will be, but we keep living. We are everyday people, so much challenges and ups and downs. So we be.
Please, you can rest here for a while, okay? And please try to calm down. Okay? All right.
We keep pushing, we keep fighting. Every day I struggle, every day I hustle, every day we try to survive. Ain't no easy at all. But no matter how we dare to buy someone no be the choice, we keep living to survive. Won't stop existing. It no easy. It no easy at all.
Let me hug that way again, I break your head. Idiot. Bitch.
Hey, Mumu. Hey, I thought you say your cup go full. Nonsense. They drive car no be your own. Eh? Mumu. Say your beer.
It no get way easy at all. Everybody get their own for body. One man's food, not another poison. Oh. But after rain must come sunshine. The nightfall comes daybreak. Nothing is worth dying for after all.
It's okay now. She's out here. Tiens.
Wait,
Stop, bro. Hey. I go beat you. I go beat you. I go beat you.
You beat me.
I go puncture you. I don't look your size.
Eventually.
I don't look your size. I go puncture you. I don't go blow in. I just pen. I go use pen. Boom. You just puncture. I tell you. I go deflate you. I go deflate you. No near me. No near me. Hey.
Madam, wait, is it? You don't feel press on.
Sorry about that. Where are you taking him to?
I don't know they carry me to go.
Come on, shut up. Madam, this boy is a thief. In fact, he's a born criminal. He was caught in the act. A big thief. That's the accomplice. All of them. All their family.
Animal. You people give me my money. Where they chop? Do you have the money? Do I have the money? Give me now. Give it to me. Criminal. They don't run finish. They don't charge.
Anayo.
Sobe.
Ma.
Please, can someone tell me what is happening here? I'm confused.
Madam, they stole from me by tricks. I want my money now. I'll take them to the station.
No, madam. He's just a minor and they are children. Exposing them to the walls of police station is bad, please.
Expose? They have already exposed themselves.
Okay. How much is the money?
20,000 naira. It's a lie.
Will you keep quiet? 20,000 naira, right?
Yes.
Give me a minute.
Shut up, man. 20,000. To have it. You don't get conscience. Hungry lions.
Here you go. Please, take this one for your transportation or something. It's complete, right?
Yes. Thank you. No, leave him. Just thank her.
They go.
One man's food, not another poison. But after it must come sunshine. The night comes daybreak. Nothing is worth dying for after all. So no matter how we be, just grab one bottle and find your feet.
What is keeping Tina now? Look at the time. By now, I don't go somewhere, even if say no be my house. Hey, and I don't even get credit for my phone. Make I use caller. Even she will be Tina herself, no go get sense. Make she call me, explain why she never come work by this time. Hey, I don't enter her shift now. I don't enter her shift.
No, I think.
Hey! If I get off from here, if I stand up from here, they don't go like me.
Stand up first.
You don't go like me.
I madam. I madam.
Hey! You don't do. Hey! Listen, honey. Listen, my love.
You see my madam. You see my madam.
Madam. Beat him very well. Useless man.
Gang up, gang up. Angry mob.
Watch him very well.
Angry mob.
Yes, sir.
They are looking on me. They video this thing well, sir.
They are looking on me.
Angry mob. Nonsense man.
Listen, my love.
Hey,
listen. Listen, then. Listen, then. Listen. Listen, my love. Listen, they're killing your love. They're killing your baby, listen. Listen, they're killing your baby. Madam don't dey call. She don't dey call now. Maybe to report now.
Yes, hello, Achiever. Close the warehouse and bring the key to my house. I said, close the warehouse and bring the key to my house immediately. Can someone tell me exactly what happened here?
He wanted to beat up Shan, so we all attacked him.
Really? So if no one was at home, you would beat up my daughter?
So that they ganged up against me. All of them, they lynched on me, they beat up your baby boy, your sweetheart, your honey pie. So that they dealt with me. She, all of them, they dealt with me.
Shut up. Who dealt with you? Who dealt? All of us now, where was theirs? You know what beat down? We know was.
We was.
We were.
Madam, at this time, go break up with her. Next movement. Shut up.
I am done with this fool.
Boss, now you.
Do you know him?
Yes, now. Then they come our side, come send us, maybe call one auntie. And two of them go enter your car. And the car go dey bounce like say they play Django Lover from inside.
Sure? So that this is a pure gang up.
Fantastic.
It's a pure gang up. All of them, they are ganging up against me. So that they are angry, they are jealous of me.
Jeff,
They are
get this nitwit out from my house.
Aya, Ogamo dey go.
Get out!
Jeff, I'm your boss.
I will not do that.
Jeff, I'm your boss. Jeff,
I go blow your eye.
Jeff, I'm your boss.
Jeff,
I gotta move, Jeff. I'm gonna move, Jeff. I'm your boss.
I respect yourself. I am moving.
You no get where you easy at all. Everybody got their own for body.
Madam, inside your car.
But after rain must come sunshine. The night comes the break. Nothing is worth dying for after all. So no matter how we be, just grab one bottle and find your feet. Every day na struggle, every day na hustle, every day we try to survive, and so life could be, but we keep living. We are everyday people.
I was meaning to tell you, I think I will deduct 50% of your salary and sum it up with my money and send these beautiful children back to school. And you know you are the eldest. I think you need to go back to good nursing school. And when you do that, take care of these little ones for me. Is that okay?
Yes. Thank you, sir.
That's good. Yeah. And Tina,
Ma,
I want to correct a notion that once a man touches you, you get pregnant.
this one.
No, that's a fallacy. That's a fallacy. There is nothing like that. Allow her to mingle with her mates. Let her be free. She's still a young girl. Now, that does not mean that we will not caution them when they are wrong, or still take care of them and watch over them. Is that okay? Please take care of yourself and take care of this angel for me.
Thank you.
Take care of yourself, yeah?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, madam.
One man's food, not another poison. Oh. But after rain must come sunshine. The nightfall comes daybreak. Nothing is worth dying for after all. So no matter how